Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can make music sound muffled on a CapCut mobile application. Okay, let's get started. Here I have created a project in my CapCut application. I have imported my video and I have imported my music to this CapCut project as well, as you can see. And if you want to make this music sound muffled, we're going to use the voice effect in CapCut. We can click on the audio or the music, click on the audio again, and we have to select the voice effect. And to make the music sound muffled, I'm going to show you what kind of voice effect we can use. You're going to go to the retro category, and here you can select megaphone, this one, final, or the lo-fi voice effect. And I'm going to show you one by one. This is for the final megaphone, and the last one is lo-fi. Okay, and I think the megaphone sounds better, so I'm gonna go with this megaphone effect, and we can adjust the strength as well if we want. And after you're done, you just need to click on this check mark, and this is the result. Alright guys, and that's how we can make our music sound muffled on CapCut mobile application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.